Have you ever wondered that whenever you wanted to do something important and you miss that thing completely, or maybe you miss the timelines, then what will happen? So that important task, whatever you want to do, that will keep on compiling, and that is called procrastination. If you wanted to do something and you do not do, that will keep you, that will eat you alive. That is the point. And I remember I used to do procrastination a lot. Whatever activities, things to do, I have noted in my diary, but almost say 8 out of 10 or 9 out of 10 is being postponed for next day, and then next day, and then next day. So what will happen then? Your lot of activities keeps on compiling, and you will not be able to concentrate, and you'll be not having any efficiency on doing your work. You will be having lot of things, lot of stress, lot of pressure in your mind, which will definitely eat you alive. So if you really wanted to be successful in your life, do not procrastinate. Whatever things important lying at your desk, complete it within timelines. Do it on proactive basis, so that you do not compile on any task, any pending task at your level, and you complete it within the timelines. And I'm sure if you start taking actions continuously, you're going to be successful in each and every aspect of your life. Do not postpone, do not delay, do not procrastinate. That is the point. If you do not procrastinate, if you do the things at the right time, it will be completed within the timelines, and you will get success in your life. Thank you. All the best.